2023 to 2026 Toyota Prius USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2023 Toyota Prius. I'm going to show you how to replace both these USB-C charger ports, this one right here and the one right here to the left. What I recommend getting is this blue interior tool. This is so you can take stuff apart without scratching it, and maybe a small flathead. So what you want to do is take this blue interior tool and just get it in between this panel right here and the dash, and we're just going to pop it in and then just kind of work our way around the whole little black panel, and then it should start to pop out. It's held in by these little red plastic clips. Don't like grab it and rage rip it out, but you can grab it and wiggle it and pull it forward gently. It should pop out eventually. And you're going to have a few wire harnesses, 3 to be exact, and you're going to have to disconnect all 3. Now the first one is this one right here. There's a little tab in the middle when you're looking down at it. Take your tiny little flathead, or if you have small fingers, and push that center tab button down and pull it back. Do the same for the cigarette lighter one. And then this one is actually super small, so I recommend using a tiny little flathead or something small to push the button down and then pull it backwards. Don't pull by the wires, because you could pull the wires out of the connector and then you're going to be having other issues and problems. But we'll get this panel out, and then once you have this out, you can have a lot easier access to get to these USB ports. There's tabs on the top and bottom. Like this one in the center has 2 tabs on top, 2 tabs on the bottom. We're going to compress those tabs and then push this forward towards out towards the face of it. This will come out like this right here. And here's what it looks like. Now, if you flip it over, if it's the OEM one, it should have a part number stamped on it, the 85532474040. Currently only sold on the Toyota Parts website, and it fits the newer this gen Priuses. Now, this one over here, same thing. There's a single tab on top and the bottom. You're going to compress that with one finger, and then on the bottom the other finger, or whatever you got, and pull it through the front like this. This guy's a lot more common in newer Toyotas. Part number is also on a sticker right there. Now you can get this at a Toyota parts dealer, or you can actually get it on Amazon too, if that's the way you want to go. Now when you get your new ones, all you gotta do is slide them in place, just pop them right through the front. And then when you go to put this back on, I recommend plugging in all the electrical connectors first. Just make your way down. They can only go in their correct location. And then once you plug these in, we're just going to line this panel up. Make sure those red clips are all on those little red pillars, and just line them up. Make sure the wire harnesses don't get in your way, and then just kind of gently push this guy in place. There's no programming or nothing needed for the USB ports. They should work right away, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.